Today I'm gonna clean all these intake manifold ports. The first one I have cleaned, it's very clean as you see in the video, and I'm gonna sandblast in them. But before you start doing this, you must make sure that the port, the one that you are sandblasting it, the valves are completely closed. Otherwise it's gonna be messy. You're gonna sand all the walnut shells inside the engine. How you do this, you must uh, turn the crankshaft one by one. When you clean one, and then the other one, the next one, when you try to clean it, just turn the crankshaft until you see with the flashlight, until you see as in the video, the valves are completely closed. Then you can sandblast it. Here I have cleaned 3 of them, 2, 3, and this one must be there also, but I'm not using sand for that. I'm using grinded walnut shells that grinded. I'm using that for blasting, cleaning this. This is here. I'm gonna sandblast this with this machine here. There's a gauge. It worked with shop air. I put it on 8 bars, and then I start sandblasting the port, and I have made a tube, so like this is just engine radiator tube. I have made this hole here, and I have put one side into the port, the intake manifold port, just like this. I put the sandblast pipe inside, and on the other side it's connected to the vacuum cleaner. While I am sandblasting it, the vacuum cleaner is working, and it will suck out all these walnut shells so that the cleaning process will work. You can do it without that vacuum cleaner and stuff like this, but this is really clean and good. Otherwise it will, all this walnut shells or sand, whatever you're trying to do, it will all come back to you, and it's gonna be messy again. So you have to do it this way, or whatever you like to do. This is just my way to do it. And now, as you see, I have cleaned all 4 of them. They are all clean. I'm satisfied with that. What I have done, my work, my sandblasting methods worked pretty well, and the engine is ready to go back on the car.